How to do edge nail with upper form. Easily and beautifully, you can do edge nails with Builder gel. In this part, I use modeling Builder gel. It's very good for sculpting the upper form easily and quickly. I will be grateful if you like this video and share it with your friend. Watch the English nail tutorial playlist on my channel. As you can see, I prepped the nail plate before video and apply a thin layer of base coat and cure it in a lamp very well. Right now, I want to attach the DualForm on nail plate. I use milky modeling Builder gel to sculpting the part of the DualForm that you are watching right now. I use gel brush. It's very important that you use high quality material. For example, a high quality brush may affect on your sculpting, and using high quality gel materials affect on your final work too. So be careful to choose high quality materials. I use the glitter Builder gel for French part of nail. In DualForm, you can see a colored part, such a green color in French area that I use Builder gel too for this part and cure it in lamp very well. After sculpting, right now I wanna put the DualForm on nail plate. Look at my hands and how I put it on nail plate. I press it a little, not much, just a little pressure, and I want to use mini UV LED to fix the upper form and prevent from moving. After fixing the DualForm with mini UV LED, we should turn the finger and check under the nail. We should check the hyponychium part, and if gel is stick on hyponychium, you should detach the gel with your brush or even any other stuff you can use. For example, wood stick or nail stick. In this part, I use gel brush and detach the gel on the hyponychium. And I fix the under part. I add a little more Builder gel and fix it very well. Then I put the finger in UV LED lamp at least for 60 seconds and cure it very well. Okay, let's detach the upper form and see the result. This is wonderful. I can say it's masterpiece. Bring your pad and alcohol to wipe the nail plate. And after clean the sticky layer on the nail plate, we want to use hand file to filing free edge and side ball. Be careful in this step. I use wood stick to separate or detach the gel that is maybe touch the cuticle. Be careful. Gel material or any other nail products should not touch the cuticle. Cuticle should be pure and clean. Be careful about it and use wood stick to be sure nothing is stuck on the cuticle. Okay. It's time to use hand file. My favorite part is filing. Be careful and do this step very gently and soft. Be very kind with side files. I wanna say that you be very careful. Okay. When we are filing the side file and free edge, please look at the angle of the file, of the hand file in this part. It's very important that you put the hand file on the right angle and don't make a step on the side files. In this step, I use a kind of diamond E-bead to filing the root area. Nail extension with DualForms is a kind of extension that don't need much filing or a lot of filing. We just wanna make the result more better and we want a more long-lasting nail extension. For this purpose, we use diamond E-bead or even we can use ceramic or even metal or carbide E-bead to make the root area a little leveling and make a better result. Thank you, buddy, for watch this video till the end. I love all of my subscription, but love you more because you watch me till the end. Don't forget to like this video and share with your nail tech friends. Love you, buddy. See you soon. Bye.